Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share it to you on how you can reset the color settings on your Windows. So if by accident you have changed the color settings and you want to reset it, then let's go quick into the process. Click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on system, click on display. Scroll down and you'll find here related settings, advanced display, display information, refresh rate. Then you have here, if you are using multiple displays like display 1, display 2, display 3, just simply choose it from here as to what display you're going to reset the color settings. Now, once you have chosen it from here, click on the display adapter properties. It could be for display 1, display 2, display 3, click on it. Then this window will appear. Click on the color management tab. Click on the color management. Another window will appear. Now let's close other windows. Click on the advanced tab. Click on change system defaults. And another window will appear. Click on the advanced tab and you will find here display calibration, calibrate display, reload current calibration, use Windows display calibration. If this is unchecked, just simply check the use Windows display calibration and simply close this windows and then click on OK and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and then restart your Windows. So that's it. That's how you can easily reset the color settings on your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching, everyone.